Keep around.
Come here.
Guys, my uncle, I need to see him.
For what?
It's very urgent. It's a matter of life and death.
I'm sorry, you cannot see Chief now.
Please, my mother is in the hospital.
Please, go outside.
Please. So my mother is very sick. Please, Chief! Chief! Oh, it's okay, Chief! Chief! Honestly, honey, I enjoyed the whole of today. I mean, we really spent time together. From having breakfast with you, to having lunch with you, and now we are here together.
Correction, quality
time. Honestly, baby, I just wish you could always bring out more time like this to spend with your wife.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
I really would enjoy it even more. Better than you. Subject to my having the chance.
Babe, you will always get the chance.
Today's been great.
I know.
The meals, the drinks, the meal particularly.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Delicious.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Yes.
Of course, your wife is the best cook.
Oh yeah.
Uncle, please. Uncle America. Uncle America is okay, Chief.
Wait a minute. What's that?
What's that?
What's that noise?
What could that be?
Oh, no.
Will you stop knocking that gate?
Uncle America, please. Uncle America, please let me in. Uncle America.
Are you mad?
Please come with me. It's my uncle's house.
Okay, shut up your mouth there. If I come there, you will see what I'll do to you. Idiot.
Open the gate. It's my uncle's house.
If I come there, you will see what I'll do.
Uncle America, it's okay, please. Uncle, please.
Let her in. Okay, Chief.
Uncle Biko, you're my last hope, please. Help us, help me save the life of my mother, Uncle Biko. Uncle Biko, I know you've helped our family, Biko. Help us this last time, Uncle, please. Uncle, please, Auntie, please. Beg you for me, Auntie Biko, Uncle. Uncle Biko, I don't want my mother to die.
No. Reconsider your decision, please. I beg of you.
Go.
Come inside.
Hey, Uncle, thank you.
Young man, have you deposited the money?
Not really, doctor. My sister will be coming with the money very soon.
Your sister?
Yes, just very soon.
I can see that you are not serious.
I am, sir.
If in 30 minutes we didn't receive the money, I will have no option than to ask you to take your mother out of this hospital.
Doctor, just give us little time. Just little time. She'll be here. Soonest.
Listen, we don't run a charitable organization here.
I know.
In 30 minutes, if you don't deposit that 1 million naira, I will have no option than to ask you to take your mother out of this hospital. I am just warning you. Don't say I didn't warn you.
The doctor said if nothing is done urgently that my mother would die. Uncle, please, I don't have any other person to run to. Please help us. Help us, please.
Please, I beg of you. Help them. Save the poor woman's life, please.
There's no need for this long monologue. I mean, treatise, song. How do you want me to help you?
We already have 500,000 naira. We need another 500,000 naira to complete it 1 million. That's the only way the doctor will commence treatment of my mother. Please, sir.
If I lend you this money, how do you pay me back?
My brother will pay me. My brother and I will pay back. Please, sir. Uncle, please, will pay.
Please, help them. Please.
You don't seem to know what I'm going through. Do you know that during the late father's funeral, I pumped money? Money. I brought in money. Good money. You saw money. Right? And up to now, nothing, I'm not seeing anything. I've not seen anything. No, nothing to me. I mean, I'm tired of all this, all this. Look at it, look at all this and all these empty promises.
Please, this time around, we will pay back. We'll pay back. We'll pay back anything you give to us, please. Please, for the sake of my mother, please.
Please, I beg you, honey. Do it, please. I'm begging you.
See, if I give you this money, there will be conditions attached. After all, we know that money does not come easy. One has to work for money. You have to slave. Slave must do something to get money. I hope you know that.
Yes, Uncle, I know.
Right? Right?
I will do anything. I will work for it. Please, sir. I will do anything. Please. Save my mother's life. Please. Biko.
Onny, please. Please.
Ekene said 2 million naira is needed for the operation, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Uncle.
I'll give you 4 million naira.
4 million naira? Hey, Uncle, thank you. Uncle, thank you so much. 4 million naira.
Thank you so much.
The rest will be for you to take care of unforeseen expenses, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so. Auntie, thank you. Auntie, thank you. Thank you, sir.
The money is not here. You need to accompany me to the bank.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, Uncle. Thank you, honey. Auntie, thank you. Thank you so much.
You don't have to thank me. I told you your mother would die, okay?
Thank
So
you.
just sit down.
Okay.
Sit down. Sit down.
Auntie, thank you. It's okay.
You will not go with me. So, stay behind.
Yes, sir.
I should see him. What's he gonna do? I should wait and see. I'm gonna walk a chin. I take a tempo, walk and see the man of the world. I should wait and see. I'm gonna walk a chin. I take a tempo, walk and see the man of the world. He's a wicked man. I'm on your wall, swap way and I fear. I see no killing, can't kill your daughter. A chair of the end of your bullet is not for him, neither for his boys. No whether no for my way put an in love. Otagu dene, holy government for. I should wait and see. I'm on a boca chin. I take a tempo, walk and see the man of the world. I should wait and see. I'm on a boca chin. I take a tempo, walk and see the man of the world.
Say you'll do whatever I ask you to do, right? Yes. In exchange for the money you want.
Yes, Uncle.
All right. So, you'll go down for me.
Go down? Where?
What do you not understand here? Go down! Are you a child? I'm talking about sex, yeah? I'll have to have sex with you. That's what it
Holy
is.
Mary. Uncle, you want to sleep with me? Uncle, how can you say a thing like that? Uncle, I'm a virgin. I made a promise to Mother Mary to keep my virginity for my husband. For the sake of my late father, please. I can't.
Are you serious?
Please, my mother is lying. You're in the hospital. Oh.
Get down and don't ever come back.
Uncle, you're my uncle.
Get down.
Jesus Christ.
People are wicked. Them man in danger. Vapotani rugi. Vana musagamo. Vapotani.
Students! Whatever it is, don't give me. I hold my money. If it's important for you, my money is also important.
Hey, Mama. Hey. You're so mean. You're so mean.
People are wicked. Them man in danger. Vapotani rugi. Vana musagamo. Vapotana zogi. Vapura pensu yeregi. Yaro alamma. Legwa febe. Chupu.
can't believe Uncle Onyeka could be this heartless. Me, sleep with him and lose my virginity. God forbid, God forbid, God forbid, God forbid. This is so unimaginable. God forbid.
Okay, hey! Why are you murmuring?
Eh? See your face. Eh? What is it? It's about my mother's health.
Hey, I'm supposed to ask you, how is Mama?
Chuma, I went to meet my uncle to know if he can assist me with my mother's hospital bill. Do you know what he said?
Wait, you went to meet Onyeka? Chief Oshimiriatu no. Hey! Do you know what your uncle did for me? I'm still waiting to go and thinking that money is a small money for him, eh?
That's exactly what I'm talking about. But he refused.
Why?
He refused to give me the money except I go down with him.
Is he go down with him? I don't understand. You know I stopped in primary school and then you people continued. If you want to insult me, start from, yeah. Which one is go down with him?
Chioma.
Eh?
He said he will give me the money only if I sleep. He's surprised at him as well.
You see, I've been looking for a way to congratulate you. For you to be a virgin in this village, it is hard. Your mother trained you well. For you to still be a virgin in this village, hi, a very hard thing that me, Choma, could not do. But check Nania, you keep your virginity, and if your mother dies, check Nania now.
But Chuma, don't expect me to go down with my uncle. I can't sleep with he's my uncle.
They better! Wonderful now. No, bara. You rather become an orphan. And then your mother, you're keeping your virginity for a man you don't know. You don't know where it's coming from. I will come and see Mama. You know go? No logo. Oh.
I can't be an orphan. I can't let Mama die. Not after all she has done for me. I can't watch her die.
Namo, you're back. What is it?
Mama, they sent me out from school because of my inability to pay school fees and register for my WAEC.
Not to worry, oh? Your father has gone to borrow money from somebody, and the man promised that unfailingly, end of this month, he will give us the money.
End of this month, kwa? Mama, WAEC registration is ending next tomorrow, and you know what that means?
What does it mean?
I won't be graduating with my mates this year.
It's okay, calm down, yeah? Down one. Listen. It's okay. Inigo, I will ensure that you graduate with your mates. Alright? So stop fretting.
Mama, if I don't graduate with my mates this year, I'll just kill myself.
Ajwa, you will do what? You will commit suicide? Don't say that ever again. Listen, I promise you, I will ensure and I will do everything possible to make sure that you take that exam. You will graduate with your mates. Inugo?
Mama, you need to help me. I studied very well for this exam and I don't want my dreams of becoming a nurse to just die.
But that's what I've said. I'm going to ensure that you register for the exam. Onny, remove this bag. I'm sure it's quite heavy.
I didn't go tell Lumia.
I go tell Lumia because it was cheap, not worth it. I don't know love. Handle it with care. Hey, no come go also.
I'm graduating this year now.
But that's from secondary school. It's not like we start earning money immediately.
I'm hungry too.
Okay, my daughter. I've tried to raise money for your school fees and WAEC registration, but all to no avail. I even went to the cooperative to see if I can raise some loan, but they said they will not give me because I'm not a member of the cooperative. So as it is right now, I'm afraid there's nothing I can do. So please bear with me, because you have to wait till next year.
No, Papa. Mama, you can't do this to me. Papa. Mama.
It's okay, my daughter. I have the money for the registration.
You have the money?
Yes.
How? How did you get it?
Well, I sold my choice wrappers and some of my expensive clothes. So, here we are. Yeah.
Mama, you sold your valuables.
Yes. I mean, how can I keep all those things when my only daughter cannot pay for her WAEC to realize her dream of being a nurse?
Thank you so much.
It's okay, it's okay. Give your father the money to count. This is a nurse, bad doctor. Eh?
People are wicked. Nemane danger. Fapotani rugi. Fana musagamo. Fapotana zogi. Fabura wensu yeregi. Ndyogo baramba.
Ewa! Mama, Papa!
Okay.
I don't know, Mama! I can't walk!
Nani, this is a snake bite.
Snake?
Yes, Nani.
In this compound?
Look at it now.
In this compound?
Nani, because we need to get her to the hospital.
It's snake, oh.
We need to get her to the hospital.
Hospital?
Yes.
Where will you get money to pay for hospital bills?
Nani, you have to find the money. Oh.
No. Let me go and bring herbs.
Please hurry up. Tell me what you're doing. Hurry up. You're not dying. It's just a snake bite. You're not dying. Stop saying you're dying. Of course, Yami. Ndo.
Okay. So, how are you feeling now?
Papa, still hurting.
Don't worry, it will soon subside. It takes time, eh?
No, it will subside. See, the herbal medication you brought is not good enough. Eh? Let's take this girl to the hospital.
Hospital? Where will I have money to pay the hospital bills? I don't have any money in this household.
Mama.
Yes, dear.
Mama, help.
Come here.
Mama, I'm dying.
No, you will not die. You'll be fine.
Mom,
you don't die, please. You won't die. Nani, I suggest we take this girl to the hospital. I've been saying this thing. Let's take her to the hospital. No. Ogechi. Ogechi.
Hey. Okay.
Nani, listen. It's not a matter. Shoigo, can you get this child to the hospital? Okay.
Nurse,
how is she?
She's responding to treatment.
Oh, thank God.
She'll be fine.
Just stay strong for mommy, okay? Do not die. You know I can bear that.
Fine.
Stay strong for me. Yes.
I'm aware of your efforts to save my life. And I'm also aware that you paid the hospital bills. I'm so proud to call you my mother.
Okay.
Be strong.
Please. Be strong. Better be. I promise I will always be there for you. Just get well.
I'll be fine, Mama.
I know. Mama busy now. I know. Your father's death. It seemed so mysterious. He collapsed and started vomiting blood.
So painful that Papa is no more.
I'm still shocked over Papa's demise. I wish it was a dream.
I don't even know what to say. Mother, we tried to save you all to no avail. I wish I was the one that died instead of you.
Oh, Mama, come on, stop saying that. Stop it.
Amadi, I wish you were here to train your children.
It's okay.
Together we would have done a wonderful job. You promised.
Oh, it's okay.
You promised. He promised it. He promised.
Mama, stop crying. Stop, please.
Mama, you're such a nice and kind-hearted woman. You don't deserve to die. I can't bear it. I just can't. What am I going to do now?
What of Omase's parents? They might be of help. Oh, I should have thought of this earlier. No. Maybe they might be of help. Let me quickly go and meet them.
People are wicked. Them man in danger. Fapotani rugi. Fana musagamo. Fapotana zogi. Fapura prince.
Yogi, what is it? Take it. What is it? Who's chasing you?
Please, I need your help.
Okay, Rita, stop crying. I'm coming. Let me call them, okay?
Okay.
Mama!
What is the matter? What is the problem?
My mother is dying and we
Stand up.
They asked us to deposit 1 million naira and we were able to raise 500,000 naira. We just need extra 500,000 naira to complete the deposit because my mother is dying and I don't know who else to run to. Please, we'll pay back. My brother and I will pay back. We don't used to owe people.
Stand up.
I don't want my mother to die.
She will not die.
She won't die.
Ogechi, I'm very sorry, my daughter. I don't have money. I only have 15,000 naira in my bank account. For the past 3 months, government has not paid me 1 naira. I'm not receiving salary. Oh, I wish I could help. The situation of the country. And the only 15,000 I have in my bank account is for the upkeep of the family. I'm really very sorry. I wish I could help.
Mom, what Nai said is true. The state government has not paid salary for the past 3 months. I'm sorry, my dear. It's a pity there is no way we can help.
My mother will die.
Stop crying, Biko.
My mother will die.
Stop crying,
Biko. I already lost my father. My mother will not die again. My mother. Nemo. Thank you. Take it. Nemo.
Hey! 1 million! Hey!
Now you will have 50. 20 to 50. That's for the household.
Oh God. What do I do now, Mama? You don't deserve to die. You don't deserve to die. Mama, you're such a good woman. You don't deserve to die. Mama, please, what do I do? God, please. Mama, you deserve to eat the fruit of your labor. You don't deserve to die. I will have to do anything within my power to make sure that I give Mama a life. Yes. Even if it means sleeping with Okunyeka. Hello? Dikeh? What? The doctor said if we don't deposit the money in 30 minutes that we should take Mama away. Oh. Okay. Oh, what do I do? No more.
Why do you keep disturbing me with this your incessant calls?
Uncle, I'm ready.
Ready for what?
Ready to meet with your conditions. I need the money. My mother needs the money.
Where are you?
I'm at Mazi's base house. Close to Mazi's base house.
Okay, stay there. Yeah.
Are you going home?
Yeah, I just got an urgent call. I need to go dress up and attend to it. I'll be right back.
Yes, ma'am. Take care now. Oh, goodness.
Okay. You and Agunga will meet me in the office later.
Alright.
Not right now, because I have business to attend to.
Never seen this type of uncle before. I wonder, I was for the question of man. I joy fair. I shall see him. What's he gonna do? I see the way I see. I'm a maka chin. I take a time to a walk and see the man of the world. I see the way I see. I'm a maka chin. I take a time to a walk and see the man of the world. He's a wicked man. I'm on you, will stop when I feel. Abu Guinea can marry my uncle. Abu Guinea can marry my uncle. Oje me fa Nenu. Oje me fa Noa. Oje mani fa Amaya fujuganya. Amaya fujuganya. Amaya fujuganya. Amaya fujuganya. Amaya fujuganya.
Ogechi, you're ready to meet with my conditions.
Yes. I'm ready. I need the money.
Yes, I know. You're ready. You're ready. Huh? That's okay. That's okay. Yes, and that's good. I knew it. That's exactly what a mature girl like you should do. Father, I'm proud of you. Against the 2 million. I mean the paltry 2 million you requested. 4 million naira is here for you. million naira. The money is yours, okay? You're happy now? Good. She's very, very happy. Okay, so you just little thing, bagam. That's it. Just keep it down. Can't you with just keep it. The money is yours.
He's a wicked man.
You remove your don't worry, just come to bed. Nothing will happen to this money. Once we finish, you pick the money. Okay? Go now. We don't even know who is going to enjoy it more. Start screaming now.
Listen, your mother can no longer stay here. So I will advise you take her home. Or better still, take her to another hospital.
Please, you people should not do this to me. Please help me, Bikonono.
There's nothing we can do. It is the hospital's policy. You have not deposited the money.
Help me.
Doctor, brother, I'm here.
How did it go?
Brother, this is the money. Give them their money and keep the balance.
Doctor, we can commence the treatment now, please. We have the money now.
Money is ready.
Yes. Let's go. So we can start the treatment.
Okay. No, that's it. You have to hurry.
Don't worry. This was just start the treatment.
At least Mama will die again. So how did you get the money?
I lost the most valuable and prized asset that I have just to save Mama's life.
I don't understand. Did you sell our house? Gechi.
I lost my virginity.
How? What happened? How come?
Please call the doctor. Call the doctor. Ogechi.
Hey! Doctor! Nurse! Ogechi! My God!
Mati, what's up? What's the level now? Okay. How you doing, man?
I am not the only one that noticed you are in love with that girl, Jane. Come on. Talk to us as your guys. Do you really love that girl?
Guys.
Or you just want to have her for a while?
Guys. I'm just being nice to that girl. You guys shouldn't misunderstand my relationship with her, please.
My one, calm down. Huh? Why are you hiding your feelings for her? Your love for her is written all over your face. So don't deceive us, man. Let me shock you. Do you know that Chief is... If even away, you feel something for her.
Are you serious? Well,
Well, I love that girl. But I'm scared if she finds out.
You're a man now. You always watch your back, man. See, for you, when you're ready, you come. We'll tell you how to handle it.
We are your men. Come on.
How is my mother and my sister?
Ekene, don't bother yourself. You see your mother, she'll be fine. And your sister, she'll be fine. Oh? Just calm down.
Are you sure? How is my sister?
I'm sorry, they tried to revive her, but we lost her.
What? No, my sister cannot die. It's not possible. My sister cannot die. My sister cannot. My sister cannot. My sister, she cannot.
We tried our best. But she didn't make it.
Doctor, what?
She's gone.
Doctor, what are you trying to tell me?
Put yourself together. Be a man. Put yourself together.
Okay, it's okay.
Please.
Alpha, where you hurry to? Uche, I'm rushing to Amadi's house. I need to go and sympathize with our friend Ekene.
That's what I'm going to too. See, I don't understand what is happening in this community.
Well, I don't understand. I don't understand what is happening anymore. The one that baffles me most is that how can he lose his mother and his sister the same day, at the same time? How?
Anayo, I know that his mother is sick. But that of his sister, I don't understand.
So this whole thing is just strange. It's completely strange. Because I know very well that it's not been long he buried his father. Now the mother and sister. No, now something must be wrong.
I pity Ekene.
Please, I'm
pity Ekene.
Are you going to
let's
go? Let's go. Let's go and see him. I don't really understand what is happening to him. I feel for him.
It shall never be well with that. Ekene, the death of your mother and sister came to us all as a shock. We are yet to understand the circumstances regarding their deaths.
Hey, Ekene, I just pray God gives you the heart to bear this irreplaceable loss because it is too much. Hey, go get him, my friend. Call him. Hey, get him so much. It's like that.
What do I do now?
Why
me?
Sorry.
Why me?
Sorry.
Why is it me?
Sochukuma, sorry.
I feel like that.
No. You cannot hear me. Otimi wants to die.
No, I just feel like dying.
No, you will not die.
It's okay. It's okay. Put yourself together now.
I can tell you. Sorry.
Sorry, hold on.
There is something I have to tell you because you are a friend. Okay? I strongly believe that the death of your mother and your sister, is completely strange. considering the circumstances behind their death, like you told us, I think there's more to it. Something is behind it.
I know, but what do I do? Yeah? Anaya, what do I do?
Okay, listen. Whoever is behind the death of your mother and your sister, trust me, that person will not hesitate to kill you or even wipe out your entire family if given the opportunity.
Nayo, if I ever find out that someone is responsible for their death,
It's okay. I advise you to bury your mother and your sister. Okay? Leave the vengeance to God.
Uche, what are you saying?
How?
No, Uche, what are you even saying? Leave the vengeance to God. How? It's not been long you buried your father. Now your mother and your sister. Are you going to sit here and watch your entire family being wiped out? Is that what you want?
God forbid.
You're telling me God?
God forbid. But what am I going to do?
Ask questions. Ask questions. You just can't sit down there and ask me what are you going to do now? We're talking about your mother and your sister. We know. Buchi, please. Ask questions. Go and find out who is responsible. Don't tell me God.
So, how much for this one? Okay, sir. This one is 250 and this one is 300. It's quite expensive. Do you have another brand apart from this? Yes, sir. Take a good look at this one. You will like it. Okay. I think I like that one. So make it 10 pieces. Okay, prepare the invoice. I'll forward money to you. Okay, sir. Good. I'll come to you. Okay, sir. Yeah. Good day, Chief. Yes. Where's your boss?
Here. Oshimili is here. Oshimili Atunu is here. The only man that knows how to pick a beggar from a dunghill and put him on throne to become king. I greet you, sir. The only man whose name is as powerful as a key that can open every door to money. I greet you, sir.
There's more. Akaju.
Boss, I am loyal.
Yes, I was told, and I said I will need to come and see with my eyes, and I have seen. There's more. You are doing business.
Boss, I owe it to you as a loyalty perpetually because you did not hide any secret of this business to me. You taught me everything.
This is good. I am happy. Very, very happy. I gave you just one opportunity. A single opportunity, you took it. Grabbed it with both hands. And you ran with it. That's what we have. Business. Unlike your friend Ekene. Ekene couldn't manage his. You know? I mean, he just couldn't. He wasted his.
Boss. Everything I am today and everything I have become, I owe it to you as a very big thanks. Because you taught me everything. You didn't hide the secret from me. And then you settled me very, very, very well. So, I am thankful. As for Ekene, he is very immature. He lacks the capacity and the mentality to make money.
Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy. Very happy.
Well, Oshimiri. Oshimiri Atunu. Please, can you please come in so that I can serve you with a very cold beer? the kind of one I know you like. Please, sir.
There's more. Akaju.
Oh, Shimile.
Let's see
the boss man. I am so happy I greet you with 1,000 words.
Your food is ready. Should I get you food? Yeah, don't worry yourself. I'll let you know when I need it. Okay.
Ma. Have you heard that Ekene lost his mother and his sister yesterday?
Excuse me? What was that you just spilled?
That was what I heard when I went to run for an errand yesterday for you.
Well, how is that possible? The sister was here just yesterday, yes? She didn't look sick to me. So what could have killed her?
I don't know.
This is funny. I understand that the mother was sick. But the sister, no. This is unbelievable. I'll just have to pay him a condolence visit.
Yes, ma'am. It would be so nice if you sympathize with him on the demise of his...
Sure, certainly.
It's really a terrible one.
Certainly. I'll just go get my food. No, I don't think I have the appetite anymore. I'll prepare.
Eat small. Just eat small. You've not eaten since.
Alright then, go.
Just get some. Just eat small.
Just hurry. This is like the movies. Really?
Calm down now. I would want us to support Ekene, especially now that he just lost the mother and sister.
Hey! You, Ginika, for the very first time in your life, you have sense. You have made sense.
Yes.
What do you mean? I don't understand. Ginika, for the first time in your life, I don't understand. What sense did she make? How are you, the both of you, supposed to support Ekene?
Chioma, the problem with you is that you don't listen. See, we can actually support Ekene by helping him to cook, wash, and do domestic house chores.
Exactly.
Like before the remains of his mother and sister will be laid to Mother Earth.
Clap for yourself.
By helping him to cook, dine, wine, maybe very soon you massage him and then you will feed him for the food to enter inside his mouth. Are you listening to yourself? Don't you know that by the time the both of you start doing this thing, if you guys do that, it is your business, because Ekene is going to think you're throwing yourself at him. And me, Chioma. If you go now, I cannot be a party to this.
Chioma, just shut up. Shut up. I do not have any evil agenda. And I know that Ginika do not have any evil agenda.
Oh, Maka, I don't have any evil agenda. Continue. Thank you.
You go and do it. Wine, dine, yes.
You're just wicked.
Don't worry, get for what?
If you don't have to be part of it, we will be part of it. Nonsense.
What is wrong with you? Every time you be behaving as if you're mad.
I have suffered in my life.
Mercy.
Look at your mouth.
Behaving as if she's mad.
What does Shoma, does she think she's a fine girl?
Hey!
Is Shoma finer than me?
Every time want you.
Nonsense.
I beg. If she can do it, we will be happy.
If you can do it.
I don't understand this. I honestly do not understand what is going on. When have I turned to a slave in this house? When?
Slave? How?
What do you mean how? I wanted to go out. Those touts that you kept outside refused me leaving this house. They said I must have to confirm from you before I leave my husband's house. I mean, why? When did that one start?